Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, in this video we are going to solve the problem of Facebook crashing. So here is the solution. So let's go to Play Store. Click on it. Tap on Play Store. Find the app. Update it. Go back. Go to phone settings. Tap on it. Click on apps. Tap on app management. Find the app. Tap on force stop. Tap on it. Tap on storage uses. Tap on clear cache. Tap on manage spaces. Delete. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So make sure to delete it. Here you need to click on delete. Go back. Restart the phone. And your problem is resolved. So let's go to Facebook. So I hope you like this video and thank you for watching.